Hello everyone, I'm Marina and Nails Sakramel School. How to quickly file the nails and get a sharp square shape without using tons of material and filing it for a while. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. Here are the nails that I need to transform today. Some of the side walls are missing. The tips of the nails are too slim. There are no parallel lines and the coating looks uneven. Though it was done by a trained nail technician. Not a beginner, but someone who has been doing it for a while. How much did this manicure cost? What do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to read your answers. But here's a correct one. My model paid over $20 for this set. It's an average price, a bit higher than average. If you're still afraid to ask more for your work, to tell your regular clients that your services cost more, just keep these nails in mind. I'm pretty sure that many of you can do way better than this. That your work is more professional, but you are afraid to raise prices. When I heard how much these nails cost, I thought that it was fair enough. I respect confident nail technicians who does not underestimate their work and skill. I think we should praise this kind of attitude. On the 29th of August, I will teach an online class on my YouTube channel. I will tell you how to become a confident nail technician with a fully booked appointment list. Join me online if you want to learn how to do a clean and safe manicure. I will also give you a chance to join our legendary online course at the best and most affordable price. Make sure to create a reminder and join us on the 29th of August at 5 p.m. MSK. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified about the class. Back to the manicure. You must have already noticed that there are many liftings on the sides. What has caused them? When the nail curls down and peels off from the coating, there's an air pocket between them. We need to get rid of all such pockets to make sure that a new coating does not peel off. Now let's prepare the nails. The cuticle is thick and oily, so I'm going to do a combined manicure. First up, I need to polish the nail surface to smooth out the transition to the natural nail. I'm using a file and a buffer. I have stuck a nail file to one side of this metal base and a buffer with our logo to the other one. When the nail surface is even, nothing will peel off from it. I had second thoughts about the nail on the index finger. I couldn't decide if I should keep the free edge, because I could just remove it and do a new extension. But I wanted to show you how to remove all the liftings and what to do in this case without extensions. Just remember that we can do it either way. Choose the technique you like best. I'm lifting the cuticle to remove all the pterygium. There is a lot of space under this particular cuticle. The cuticle itself is overgrown, that's why I make sure to e-file it once I've cut it to ensure the best manicure results. Feel free to use this life hack. It's a key to a clean manicure. To be honest, I skip this step most of the time. Do it when there's little space under the cuticle. To clean it up after cutting it. It's the only way to deal with this particular cuticle type. There's always something to touch up no matter how much you cut off. At first glance, this type looks easy to work with. It's just a cuticle. But there's a lot of pterygium hiding underneath. It's going to cause pulling if we don't remove it. I've tried to polish the cuticle with a flame drill bit, but it didn't work out. So I decided to use a red sphere drill bit. Many nail technicians struggle with lifting. The causes are leftover pterygium or nail dust under the cuticle. Sure, there are many other causes, but leftover pterygium is the most common issue. When I say that, I mean a translucent tissue stuck to the nail. I'm very particular about it. Have you heard about a grand event for nail technicians on the 18th of September? Nail Dazzle is a special event organized by Sakramel School. I invite you all to join us there. Click the link in the description box to learn more about it or check out one of my latest videos. I have prepped the nails and applied a base coat. Let's try dual forms on. They will help us to do a sharp square shape quickly. There are many techniques out there. You can check out more nail fill videos on my channel. Learn how to use polygel, jelly-gel, and gel to fix the nails. One gel to complete a set. This time I decided to use gel. To smooth out the transition, I placed the dual forms as close to the cuticle as possible. Be careful so as not to cause pulling in this area. It should work fine. You may not do it all right at your first attempt. Wait till you get a hang of it. Practice makes perfect. Don't miss out on this technique. Pay attention to the size of dual forms. They shouldn't be too small, otherwise they will lift and fail to cover up the side walls. Besides, there will be gaps in the growth channel. Look at our cool templates. We just need to file them. I will make them shorter using my go-to carbide drill bit. When filing the nails, I saw them. Bubbles. They appeared because I was not careful enough when stirring the gel with a wooden stick. I'm filing them out with the tip of the drill bit. To file a sharp square shape, we start with the free edge. I place the file perpendicularly to the free edge and file both sides of the nail without rocking the file. Make sure that the side walls are parallel to each other. Don't slim them down. Though I have to do it in this case. That's why I've been using ballerina-shaped dual forms, not the square-shaped ones. Just slim down the side walls. Now we can turn the finger sideways to file parallel lines. Pulling is inevitable when it comes to using dual forms. I make sure to file it all out. We can smooth out the surface with a nail file. Don't forget to file excess gel out. I start with the tip of the nail to keep it thin, about 1 mm. Trust me, it will be just right for these nails to last long. Builder gel is not going to bend easily like gel polish. I turned the finger over and filed the previous gel out together with the natural nail. My model said that it was peeling off anyway. On the inside. She hated it, especially when dirt got inside. So she asked me to fix this issue. I will work on it in a minute. First, I need to fill in the holes from the bubbles. I polished the nail surface with a soft buffer. I need it to be smooth for our future nail design. I slightly filed the free edge to soften the edges a little bit. Feel free to use this tip. The shape is still defined and has sharp corners, but they are not scratchy. Let's move on to nail art. It will be an abstract design. I grab this gorgeous periwinkle shade and quickly paint random lines. The composition will be unique for each nail. I fill them in with one coat. You can paint abstract lines more quickly than French tips, so put them on your list of nail designs. We decided to cover them up with a matte top coat. I can't remember the last time I used it. It's my favorite non-tacky top coat by Kapos. One coat and you're good to go. It becomes rather hot while curing. Most of the matte top coats do because of the photo initiators. Tell your clients to take their hands out on time. I'm going to seal the free edge with the same top coat. Basically, I filed part of the natural nail out and sealed it with the matte top coat. It's not going to peel anymore. There won't be any liftings on the side walls. Remember how they ruined the shape and caused cracks? Now I want to spice it up a bit more. I'm going to rub some chrome powder into a thick top coat. The one that I'm using is by Iman. It's perfect for all kinds of 3D nail designs. Look at how smooth and opaque this texture looks. Note that one of the lines is thicker than the other one. It creates a nice contrast between them. Then I cover them up with a liquid top coat. I thought it will be quicker, but I regretted using a liquid top coat to finish it off, because it was flowing outside the edges of the lines. You can only see it up close, but still. So I recommend you use a thick top coat. The result will be worth spending more time. Here's a final look. If you enjoyed this transformation, please give it a big thumbs up. Check out the video where I file a sharp square shape on the natural nails covered with gel polish. Wishing you all beautiful nails. Good luck. Bye bye.